We talked earlier about the borrow pit at We talked earlier about the borrow pit at the beginning of the trail.
She wants to
being something, she's welcome to. Something that the folks that built this area engineered. But the alligators are really what we call the engineers of the Everglades. So alligators will create sort of a mini borrow pit. We call it an alligator hole. And they'll find an area, they will use that very, very powerful tail, they'll use their claws, and they'll dig out down into the bedrock, sort of making for themselves a little bit of an ecosystem where when the wet season starts to dry out, they will have what they need. So I think it's kind of ingenious, actually. The fish will come to them, the birds will come to them, everything comes to the water, right? So the alligators are the engineers of the Everglades. If an alligator abandons that alligator hole, might move on to another one. Sometimes they stay in the same one, sometimes they move on. Other plants will come in that like those disturbed areas. The willows will come in, the bay trees will come in. So that action of creating that alligator hole changes that area. And so we call the alligator a keystone species because they actually have an impact on the ecosystem. Rather than just existing in it, they actually change it. So the alligator is very, very important to the health of the Everglades. We use it as an indicator. If the alligator numbers are healthy, we feel like we're doing something right in terms of taking care of the Everglades. How's everybody doing heat-wise? It was pretty hot today.
How are you? What do you say alligator?
What were the two plants that grow?